Hi class. Today we will write a program to receive an analog input from a potentiometer, and depending on this input we will position a servo in the range of 0 to 180 degree depending on the analog input. Let's see how it is done. First I will search for the Arduino in TinkerCAD. Next I will look for a servo. I will rotate and place it in position. Let's wire the servo. First I'll connect the ground terminal. Next I will connect the 5-volt terminal, and lastly I will connect the signal terminal to pin number 9, which is a PWM pin. Let's connect the potentiometer now. I will rotate this potentiometer and connect one fixed terminal to 5 volt. I'll connect it over here. The other fixed terminal I'll connect it to ground. I will connect it over here. And the variable terminal I will connect it to A0. Let's look at the coding. I'll go to text, continue. I'll delete the previous code. First, I will include the servo library #include servo.h. Next, I'll initialize some variables for the servo motor. The first one is servo pin. And the next one is position. Next, I will initialize some variables for the potentiometer. One is the read value. And the other one is the pot pin. The potentiometer pin is connected to pin 9. Also over here, the servo pin is connected to, the potentiometer pin is connected to A0, and the servo pin is connected to pin 9 over here. Next, I'll go to void setup. I will initialize serial communication over here with the statement serial dot begin 9600. For the servo motor, I will initialize an object called myPointer. and in the setup I will use the line my pointer dot attach servo pin. What it does is it tells the compiler that the servo motor is connected to the servo pin, that is pin number 9. Let's go for the void loop function. And in void loop I will do an analog read and store the value read from the A0 pin, that is the pot pin, to read value. This read value is in the range of 0 to 1023 and the servo motor moves in a range of 0 to 180 degree. So I have to convert this scale from 1023 to 180. Therefore, the multiplying factor should be 180 degree divided by 1023. Hence, my position will be, position is equal to read value into, I have to convert the scale of 1023 to 180 degree. So the multiplying factor will be 180.0 divided by 1023.0. And whatever value we get, it will be stored in position. And over here I will say my pointer dot write position. Before that, on the serial monitor I will print my position, serial dot print current position serial dot println position. So the current position will be printed on the serial monitor as well as it will be returned to the servo motor. Here I'll give a delay of 100 millisecond. Let's check how this code runs. Okay, there's some error. So this P needs to be in capital. Just have to follow my syntax. Let's check for other errors if any. Okay, my code is running. Let's check my serial monitor. So it says current position is 0. Okay, current position is 180. Let's change this position now. Hundred 86. Okay, let's test our circuit. Here I have done a small modification in my code. I have just changed the data type of the position variable to float. Just note that so that I can get a fine adjustment. So I get the servo position in between 0 degree to 180 degree. And the same is displayed over here.